Hello, world travelers. It's your travel buddy, Grayson Jack. Today, we are road tripping east along a brief, spectacular stretch of Interstate 78 spanning the cities of Newark and Bayonne in New Jersey. This is my absolute favorite part of I-78 for 3 reasons. First, you are almost guaranteed a front row seat to massive passenger jets screaming overhead as they descend into Newark Liberty International Airport. Second, both along I-78 and just off its exits, you get breathtaking panoramic views of Jersey City and the most iconic skyline in the world, New York City. And third, you get to cross a stunning architectural marvel spanning Newark Bay. Today's journey is all about this incredible bridge that feels more like an old friend to me. New Jersey has many grand crossings, but this towering symbol of mid-century American infrastructure is one of my favorites. Most drivers only know it by its original name, the Newark Bay Bridge, but its official name since 1995 is the Vincent R. Casciano Memorial Bridge. Opened on April 4, 1956, this vital 6,170-foot steel span was built to connect I-78 between Newark and Bayonne. For 7 decades, it has served as a critical lifeline for Jersey commuters and a direct gateway to the Holland Tunnel. Structurally, the Casciano is a classic steel through-arch bridge. That means the roadway actually cuts right through the center of that massive sweeping arch. The bridge was built using an innovative cantilever construction method, building the arch outward from both shores simultaneously until the 2 sides met perfectly in the middle, suspended high above the water. With its sleek industrial mid-century aesthetic, the bridge didn't just conquer the bay, it cleared the shipping lanes with a soaring 135 feet of vertical clearance, proving that heavy American steel could be both incredibly functional and breathtakingly grand. Despite all of this, the Casciano Bridge is officially past its useful life and will be replaced by a single $6.7 billion 4-lane cable-stayed bridge equipped with standard safety shoulders. Construction has officially begun. Crews are currently assembling massive timber deck trestles over the water to support the heavy machinery needed to build the new bridge. The contract for the main cable-stayed structure over the bay is slated for award by the summer of 2026. The schedule is set. If all goes according to plan, traffic will officially shift onto the brand new, safer bridge in 2031. And as for the historic Vincent R. Casciano Arch, once the new span opens, the 75-year-old icon will be completely demolished. Its era is drawing to a close, paving the way for a more resilient future for New Jersey transit. Well, travel buddies, I hope you enjoyed our road trip today. If you did, check out our other travel videos and please subscribe and like us. Until our next trip, Grayson here saying au revoir.